Two 500 litre working capacity stainless steel ribbon blenders with 600mm discharge height as standard, mobile casters, pneumatically controlled discharge flap, on off emergency stop timer, so it'll automatically stop after 10 minutes or however you set it. Lid safety interlock switch. Bag rest for rip and tip, which is easily removed for cleaning. Second machine's very similar. One's 7 years old, one's 5 years old. Showing a double inner and outer ribbon. This one's got a round discharge, that one's got a square discharge. Two used 500 litre stainless steel ribbon mixers available now.